Hello guys, welcome to a new video from the channel. This time we check how to get dark mode on Instagram on iPhone, so let's start. As you can see, now I'm here on Instagram and the appearance slide as well as profile. So for getting the dark mode, let's go back and let's go to settings on your iPhone. So now we are here, let's scroll down and let's go to display and brightness. So as you can see here, we have two options, light and dark. So you have to select the dark one and you can see the appearance change. Now just go back and let's go to Instagram. Just select Instagram and now you can see the appearance on Instagram change as well. So let's go to beginning and you can see here that everything now it's dark mode. So that's the way to do it. If you want to change again the appearance, you can go again to settings, display and brightness, and you can change to light whenever you want. So I hope this works for you. Thank you for watching this video. Remember to subscribe and give thumb up